Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best betta tanks that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Fluval Spec V Aquarium Kit. The filter housing is huge and perfect for those who want to use several types of filter media to customize their aquarium. For those who prefer a planted tank, the included LEDs can support both medium and low light plants. The filter that comes with this tank has an adjustable flow, but it's still too strong for bettas. Fluval actually makes an inexpensive sponge baffle to use with the filter, so it's an easy fix. The sizable filter is built into the tank. It doesn't take up any of your fish's swimming space, and it contains a large piece of sponge for beneficial bacteria to grow on. Moving on. At number 4, we have the Aqueon Glass Aquarium Fish Tank Starter Kit. This kit has it all. Not only do you get a tank with LED lights and a filter, but you also get a heater, fish food, a net, and other necessities. The size is also great for those looking to keep a sorority of bettas. The filter is too strong for bettas and will need to be baffled. It also has some issues with noise. It tends to vibrate against the glass. This can be fixed by putting something behind it, like a piece of rubber or sponge. One of the nice aspects of this filter is the replacement indicator. A red light will flash when it's time to change the filter's cartridge. This is especially useful for those new to fish keeping. At number 3, we have the MarineLand Portrait Glass Aquarium Kit. The shape of this tank makes it perfect for small spaces. The LED lights mimic sunlight and moonlight, are strong enough to support low-light plants, and are height adjustable. The filter included with this aquarium is nice and quiet, and replacement cartridges are easy to find online and in pet stores. While the flow is adjustable, the current is still too strong for a betta even at the lowest setting. However, this can be fixed with a baffle. The area in which the filter is housed is rather narrow, and thus difficult to clean. Luckily, the rest of the tank is easy to maintain. At number 2, we have the Tetra Crescent Aquarium Kit. This tank is perfect for beginners who want a simple setup and aren't concerned with growing plants. It comes with a betta-safe filter and doesn't take up a lot of space. This filter has adjustable flow settings, and you'll need to choose the lowest one to keep your betta comfortable. There is a pocket on the filter that fish can swim into, so you may want to block it with a sponge. The filter is nice and quiet, but it is quite large. This means it will accommodate any filter media, not just the provided biobag cartridge. However, it takes up more space in the tank. And finally, at number 1, we have the GloFish Aquarium Kit. This tank is affordable, and its triangular shape makes it perfect for tucking into a corner. The lights are strong enough to support low-light plants. The filter included in this kit is quiet and has adjustable flow settings. Unfortunately, even the lowest setting is too strong for bettas and will suck their beautiful fins into the filter. You'll have to modify it with a baffle or purchase a different filter. The GloFish Aquarium is made of plastic and is completely seamless, reducing the likelihood of leaks. The shape of the tank is actually somewhat triangular, so it fits nicely in corners and is perfect for those who don't have much space. Because it is made of plastic, it scratches easily. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.